this is a topic that we like to bring up in the process before the remodeling actually starts, before the swinging of the hammer begins. No one wants to really talk about it because it's not fun, it's not sexy, and everyone says it'll be okay. I will tell you, most projects will think kitchen. When you don't have a kitchen, your life's a little bit mucked up. And so how do we help people, I think, is the question, right? And I'll say this about bathrooms. Most homes we're going into and doing remodels, they have 2 bathrooms. That's 4. 2 bathrooms. If you got 2 bathrooms, we can generally get through a bathroom remodel pretty well. Homeowners just a little bit of strain. When we think kitchen, it's not enjoyable. So how do we help people? We have set up basement kitchens to a degree. We can't obviously set up a full kitchen in someone's basement, but we've set that up. We've helped in laundry rooms. We've set up air fryers and created a temporary sink scenario. But yeah, you really do want to plan for it. And most people are like, I'll be fine. And then they're 3 weeks in and they're like, I can't drink my coffee in the morning. I'm going to kill people. And then that comes out towards us of, fix this for me now. What do you have? And it's like, man, let's try and plan that before. But we do have some thoughts and some things we've done for people. So you do want to plan for it.